Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting live links. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and any cellular modems so the laptop stops reporting instantly. Once done, sign out of Apple ID, Microsoft account, or Google account and disable Find My Device or location services to break cloud location tracking. Next, ensure you have admin credentials and a verified backup. Make sure to save important files externally. This prevents accidental data loss before deeper changes, like network ID masking or system resets. You now remove the middle layer tracking, uninstall any remote management, telemetry agents, and account link sync apps so they no longer phone home. Then change network identifiers, enable MAC address randomization, and clear stored Wi-Fi profiles to avoid SSID-based tracking. Make sure to check BIOS or UEFI for vendor tracking options or Intel AMT. If present, disable or update firmware to scrub persistent identifiers. Also install a fresh, privacy-respecting browser and disable. You finish by performing a factory reset or clean OS reinstall so leftover agents are removed, then enable full disk encryption and a strong local password to protect data at rest. Once done, route traffic through a reputable VPN and privacy DNS, and harden your browser with tracker blockers and no-sync settings to reduce future linkage. If tracking persists, make sure to audit active network connections, check for persistent firmware implants, and reset or reflash BIOS/UEFI as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.